Welcome. Let's begin with our specific series focusing on the expected topics for UPSC Prelims 2024. Now, as always, in this series, we would be moving theme wise. So, every session we would have a different theme where we would organize some of the most important topics that you must cover before your Prelims 2024 examination. So, let's begin with the section on space. Now, in space, two of the important landmark developments that you already know is Chandrayaan 3 and Aditya L1. Chandrayaan 3 is the India's mission to the south pole of the moon, and India after that became the fourth country after China, US and Russia to have the mission at moon, right? The next is Aditya L1. Now this is the India's mission to sun. As the name suggests, Aditya is an acronym for sun. Now Aditya has 7 payloads. Of this 7, 4 of them would directly view the sun, and the remaining 3 would do the in situ study for the various particles obtained from sun. Now L1 is the point where the gravity of the sun and the earth balance, and this is known as Lagrange point. Now Lagrange point is an important concept even for your further concepts related to space and space technology. This could be an important question. The next is 6 exoplanets orbiting the brightest stars have been found, and these are in the Coma Berenices constellation in the name of HD 110067. Now of these, the exoplanet has a radius somewhere between Earth and Neptune, and the innermost has an orbit cycle for 9 days, the outermost has an orbit cycle for 54 days. The next is in the universe, a background humming sound has been studied, and that is because of the gravitational waves. Now gravitational waves are ripples in time and space in an astronomically dense object, and these permeate universe at very low frequencies. Now this concept was proposed by Einstein, and this was in 1916. Later on, it was detected in 2015 by LIGO observatory, and this actually talks about the array of pulsars in by a black hole binary star concept. So again, a very important concept of gravitational wave and LIGO observatories, which is really important. The next is NASA capsule with asteroid. Now the spacecraft OSIRIS-Rex actually brought in the samples from Asteroid Bennu, and this sample has nearly 250 grams of dust and has a very high carbon content and water content, and this has been studied through the NASA capsule, has been brought by NASA capsule and would be studied now. So those were some of the key topics that we have identified in the field of space. There are yet more topics which we would be covering in the upcoming sessions. So prepare well, study well, and yes, definitely don't miss the playlist that we have created for UPSC 2024 expected topics to cover. Thanks for joining in today.